new people. There's warm market, where we find people. Those are the people who already know us, right? They're the people that are family, friends, neighbors, old schoolmates, workmates, church goers with us, are people we see at the gym. We may not even know them by their first name. We just might wave every week or every day, but they're warm to us. They've seen us before. Activities that we do, or people our kids know, if we have kids and we're involved in school activities or their activities. Networking, business groups, all kinds of places that are warm, right? Cold market is the people that we don't know yet, right? The strangers who can become friends, and that can be just people out and about. Leads, some people do cold market leads. Referrals from people can be cold, but they're warmed up for us. Let's see, social media. We have lots of people we know on there that are warm market, but we also can hit our cold market too. People who don't know us yet, they're getting to know us through our social media. There's even bulletin boards out there that you go to your chiropractor or your doctor or your dentist or even the gym, and there's a bulletin board of all kinds of business cards. So everybody there is a cold person that if we don't know them yet, but they're warmer because they're on the business bulletin board. So cold market is just a way to get more warm market. So new people, we're fishing in those pools, right? And there are people everywhere. So I named a few places